Alright, so welcome back to another driveway. We have some more tools. Kind of ordered up something from Amazon, kind of spur of the moment type of thing. So let's just go crack it out here and see what we're looking at. Alright, so what showed up today, small bandsaw style cutter. Well, that's not too bad. Let's see, what is this? This is Anbull. Hey, that's not. That's not too bad. Yeah, so this is what we got. Wasn't too expensive. Relatively cheap. But essentially I wanted another cutter that can be a little more precise than the real winner of a machine that is the chop saw. That chop saw is pretty rough, but it does get the job done. But if I want to start tackling some aluminum and that stuff, I don't like using chop saw because that melts the heck out of aluminum. I guess this is now a matter of we need to put the blade on. I'm not 100% sure how that works. So, I guess we gotta pull the protective edge off. Yeah, that is pretty sharp. That is pretty weird. Alright, so we set these guys. That guy into the guide. Okay, this is by far one of the weirdest. Come on. I don't know what level of China BS this is, but it's just so weird how it bends the band. tension it back down. And I guess that's it. Ooh, that's kind of weird. Well, we do have an LED light though. I think we're gonna find safety glasses just in case. Okay, she's a slow mover. Not the worst thing I've ever seen. Grab ourselves a board. Okay, we definitely want it to be something you can clamp in. We need to tighten up our guard here. Let's try something that's more in line with the jaws here. And see what happens. Oh, that cuts like butter, but we need a little guard adjustment here. Okay. Let's go right about there. Crank that die down good. Let's see what happens. Well, that is something. That cuts it really nice. Try it that direction just to see if it gets pissed off or something. That is so good. It's not even warm or anything. All right. Well, this is definitely going to come in handy when we start tackling some of these other projects. Because now we got something to cut some aluminum a little more precisely. Hypothetically, it should be able to cut metal as well. I mean, like steel. But I decided I'm going to give that a try. Maybe after I get the things that I need to cut in aluminum cut, just in case the blade doesn't like it. But, anyways, that's a quick rundown of this China machine. The blade is a little wonky to get put in there, but once it's in, it's in. So far, I kind of like it. I'm kind of going to want to get this thing a stand somewhere else, maybe a wheeled cart, so I don't have all this stuff on the workspace. But all in all, I'm happy with this. Less than $200 purchase. And I call it good enough. Anyways, thanks for watching. And we'll have to see you again later.